So welcome to SURVAE. In this video we're going to demonstrate the GoPro Hero 5 or 6 video upload. So first thing you have to do is make sure that you're signed in. In this case we are, the little green guy up here, and we can see the SURVAE account. We can either click the blue arrow to upload, or we can just drag and drop our files right into the map. So we're going to select a file, and we're going to drag and drop it. Now it asks if we want to continue uploading into SURVAE. In this case we're going to continue. This will show up if you are connected to more than one account. It's just verifying that you really do want to upload it to this account. If you're only connected to one account, then it will just bypass this step and just continue on to the upload. So in this case we'll hit continue. And our video has started uploading. So once a video has been uploaded, we go ahead and process it. So we convert it into a variety of resolutions, including 480, 720, 1080p, and even 4K, which makes it ideal for different types of devices. And then we also process the data and automatically match it to the video and tie it to the map. So this video has just completed processing and now should be mapped. And we can go ahead and zoom into that particular spot. You can see it's in Texas. And we'll pull up a different map, show the location. Here we are standing on the bank of this lake, and we can go ahead and play it. And you can see it is exactly where it said it, where it actually was captured. So that's how easy it is to upload a video from a GoPro Hero 5 or 6. It's literally a drag and drop. Processing time is related to how long your video is and what sort of resolution you captured it in, but it's pretty quick. We'll go into demos of other video types in uploads of other types in other videos.